There you go. Now you can see each other. You can hold that up for a second.
Alright, that's better. Now we can do an official intro. Me and Andy, or Andy and I guess is correct. We're gonna spend the night in the frigid woods, if you can see it. Cook a Dutch oven, try and have some fun, and yeah, start some fires, all that good stuff. Let's get to it before it gets too dark. The real fun will begin.
We got all night to go get water.
Which you can actually see, but we made it. Setting up camp. You could use a tripod. Baby is. Fuck. Poor baby. Alright. Time to build a fire. We can start to ice up. Might even hide the camera for that. Strobe light. Kind of see it, but I feel turn the light back on. Went with the top down fire. Use a little bit of the shrubs.
Yep, kind of see it. There's the tent.
God, my hair's frozen. I have to switch to my other beanie. Scoot you back. Looks like she's burning now. Hope it doesn't get a lot of water running down this thing. Let's see if I can push the fire actually without fucking everything up. Ah, fucking wet. Really?
Yeah.
It feels pretty warm. Are you cold?
My hands are cold.
That's my fault.
Probably because I'm right by this beautiful fire.
Oh, are you still recording this?
Whew. It's getting cold. Oh, but there's the little baby now. She's going. Andy's over there killing the Dutch oven.
Trying.
It seems to be going all right now. I think we're kind of underway.
We may have to make a trip for wood.
That one wouldn't be too bad. That'd be kind of fun.
Yeah.
Night run. But I don't know how well you can see us. Oh shit, look at the moon.
We should get some food going first, though.
Yeah, the moon looks so cool. Clouds are moving too.
All right. Got the fire. Kind of see the tent in the back. But head over to that food. Gloves off the frozen ground.
I guess that is the most important part, huh?
If you want one of mine, you want one of yours.
I'll take that red one right there. Or actually, I'll take this orange one. Yeah, orange me. Pale ale.
Have to be like that. That's better, probably. Hold my beer and watch this. Oh, you ever heard about rolling beer? 'Cause my beer's kind of cold. That's a Canadian trick. You ever seen that? Or if we could go by the fire, I'll show you. My cousin taught me this shizzle. Right. Freaking tripod broke, so everything's gonna be ground level. I'll show you the trick. So you get yourself a little spot. Probably right here. You make it a little beer hut in there. Get it all padded down. Find yourself a little slot if you can, if you will. Get yourself a slot. Oh. And then you just move it there until you get it loose. Look at that. You can even do it like that, I mean.
Roll it till it's cold.
And it gets cold fast. But God, I don't know if it's because it's rolling or if it's just because it's cold outside. Dang, this is a tasty one right here for IPAs. Oh. Almost want to go get wood now. Sliding on that. I see. We got some birch bark and stuff there. Might cause a flame. There you go. actually, this stuff started up really nice. Try that out. Can help me out in there.
That makes fire.
There we go.
Now she's raging. Raging. There's the moon. Love that thing.
There's almost no smoke now. Like that's just,
Burned it all off.
see, we're drying out there now. So
Yeah.
now I can cook on top of that. Thanks, man.
We in business. It's a freaking fire pit now, actually, huh? It's actually in the ground. Shit. Oh yeah. Bam. There we go. Take a look at that. Oh yeah. Not bad, dude. Good job.
Thank you.
Alright, just finished up eating. Pretty tired now. There's the little abode for the night. Snow. Let's see how it all goes. I'm gonna pack up the camera for the night, so we'll see you guys in the morning. Alright, now the sun's starting to come up. We're just about out of here. Beards are pretty well frozen. You can see that?
But, yeah, I think we'll just take stuff down and head the hell out.
Alright. I think we're about wrapped up. Everything looks good to go. Putting out the fire. Quick little night in the woods. Finished up. Not too bad. Luckily, it was a nice night. And got to see some, I guess, sky. But, yeah, catch you next time.